Hi, how you doing? So today I'm going to make this incredible fish. It really is delicious. I'm using a sea bass. You can use any type of fillet fish you want. Oyster sauce, Chinese style, and I'm serving that with the easiest fried rice in the world, just a garlic fried rice. It's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have here. Star of the show is our fish. Now I've got some sea bass fillet, beautifully fresh, just came in today actually, really nice, and cut that into kind of, you know, nice decent sized fingers. And then onion, bell pepper and carrots, roughly about the same amount. You can see them, about a cup each. A little bit of green onion, tablespoon of garlic, tablespoon of ginger here. And then just here I've got like 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of oyster and 3 tablespoons of soy. Let's get moving. So here we go. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. Use something different if you want. Let's start by dropping in the ginger and the garlic. Now, we're on quite a high heat here. Now we're going to drop in our fish. Like I said, I've got some beautiful sea bass here. You could use a different fish if you want, of course. Something like a cod or a salmon maybe. You need something fairly robust, you know, something that's kind of going to hold itself together. Some black pepper. We're not going to be adding any salt to this dish because fish sauce is incredibly salty. So is oyster sauce and so is soy sauce. Okay, high heat, 3 to 4 minutes. Keep this one moving. Fantastic. We'll have this done in no time. So that was about 3 minutes. I've been stirring it all the time. This is so simple, this dish. We're going to drop in that onion, the carrots, and the bell pepper. And we're going to go for another 3 minutes. You can see that I've cut my vegetables, especially the carrots, quite small so they cook really nicely. You can slice them, you know, but do it really thin if you're going to do that. But yeah, 3 more minutes. Keep this moving. Bing, bang, bong, we'll have it done. Okay, now I've got a nice crunch on my vegetables. That's kind of where I want it. If you want the vegetables cooked longer, you're gonna have to kind of go up for another sort of 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, big taste time. Okay, here goes the fish sauce. There goes the soy. I'm using a dark soy. There goes the oyster sauce. Here goes some water. Three more minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, off goes the heat. A little bit of green onion or scallions or spring onions, whatever you call them. Now, I didn't show you this earlier, but I like right at the end to put in a little bit of nutty sesame seed oil. Nothing crazy, just a little bit on there. I don't start it with that because it burns the flavour off. I just like to add it just at the end. Look at that, fantastic. So I've just emptied the contents out with the same pan because it's got some lovely flavours in it. A little bit more oil. We're going to go straight in with a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. The heat is on high. Just a few seconds then. We're going to add some cold rice to that. I've got like 3 cups there of basmati rice, but it's cold. We're going to add salt. We're going to add black pepper. We're going to fry that for about 4 to 5 minutes on a high heat. Fabulous little bit of garlic rice to go with our wonderful sea bass. So easy, this one. So I'm hoping that you can hear that. That is the rice frying. You definitely need to fry it. If you get a little bit of brown or blackening on it even, it's wonderful. Very important also, by the way, turning the heat off, to use cold rice. That rice was made yesterday and has been in the fridge overnight. That's super easy. We're done. So there we go. We've got an amazing, easy, beautiful Chinese style fish with oyster sauce and some incredibly easy garlic fried rice. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. You take care. Be safe, be well. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.